Let's dive into the flavorful world of pepperoni production, where the stakes are high and the flavors are rich. It's a journey where precision and tradition collide to create something truly extraordinary. So, how do they do it? The journey of making high-quality pepperoni begins with selecting the perfect cuts of meat. This typically involves a precise blend of pork and beef, each contributing unique qualities to the final product. Pork is chosen for its rich flavor and ideal fat content, which are essential for creating the smooth, moist texture that defines good pepperoni. The fat in pork helps bind the meat and spices together, ensuring a consistent texture. Beef, on the other hand, is selected for its deeper flavor and firmer texture. This combination of pork and beef creates a complex and satisfying taste profile that pepperoni is known for. The selected meats must be of the highest quality, free from any defects or contaminants. To ensure this, each batch of meat undergoes rigorous inspection to meet strict standards of quality and safety. This selection process is crucial as it sets the tone for the entire production process. A single misstep at this stage could jeopardize the entire batch, rendering hours of labor and valuable resources wasted. By carefully choosing the right meat, producers lay a solid foundation for making premium pepperoni. The balance between pork and beef and the quality of each cut is meticulously controlled to maintain the product's integrity. This ensures that the pepperoni produced is not only flavorful, but also consistent in texture and appearance. This attention to detail in the early stages of production is what allows for the creation of high-quality pepperoni that meets consumer expectations. By starting with the best possible meat, the subsequent processes of seasoning, mixing, stuffing, and curing are all supported, leading to a final product that is rich in flavor, perfectly textured, and ready to enjoy. This foundational step is the first in a series of careful, precise processes that culminate in the delicious pepperoni loved by many. Once the right cuts of pork and beef are meticulously selected for their quality, flavor, and fat content, the next step in creating perfect pepperoni involves preparation and grinding. This stage is vital as it sets the foundation for the texture and consistency of the final product. The preparation begins with a trimming of the meat. This process involves carefully removing any excess fat, gristle, and connective tissue from the cuts of pork and beef. Trimming is essential because these elements can negatively impact the texture and quality of the pepperoni. Excess fat can make the product too greasy, while gristle and connective tissue can cause unpleasant chewy bits in the final product. Each piece of meat is inspected and trimmed by skilled workers to ensure only the best portions proceed to the next step. After trimming, the meat is cut into uniform pieces. Uniformity is crucial for the grinding process, as it ensures that the meat grinds evenly. Uneven pieces can lead to inconsistencies in texture, which can affect the final product's quality. The pieces are typically cut into small, manageable chunks that can easily pass through the industrial grinders. The grinding process is one of the most critical steps in pepperoni production. The uniform pieces of meat are fed into industrial grinders, which break them down into fine particles. These grinders are designed to handle large quantities of meat efficiently while maintaining the integrity of the product. The goal is to achieve a consistent, fine grind that will blend well with the seasoning and other ingredients later in the process. Temperature control during grinding is absolutely crucial. The meat must be kept cold throughout this process to prevent the fat from melting. If the fat melts, it can smear and separate from the meat, leading to a compromised texture and an inferior final product. Industrial grinders are equipped with cooling systems to maintain the meat at an optimal low temperature. This ensures that the fat remains solid and evenly distributed throughout the ground meat. Precision and careful monitoring are essential during grinding. The grinders are calibrated to achieve a specific particle size, which is crucial for the texture of the pepperoni. Operators continuously monitor the grinding process to ensure that the meat is ground evenly and consistently. Any deviation can affect the product's quality and appearance. Once the meat is ground, it is inspected again to ensure it meets the required standards. This involves checking the texture and consistency of the ground meat to ensure it is ready for the next stage of production. The ground meat should be fine and uniform, with the fat evenly distributed throughout. This prepares the meat perfectly for the seasoning and mixing stages that follow. After passing inspection, the ground meat is moved to the next phase, where it will be combined with a carefully measured blend of spices and curing agents. At this point, the texture of the meat is ideal for absorbing the flavors of the seasoning. The consistent grind ensures that the spices will be evenly distributed throughout the meat, resulting in a flavorful and well-balanced final product. The preparation and grinding stage is a meticulous process that requires attention to detail and precision. By ensuring that the meat is properly trimmed, uniformly cut, and finely ground while maintaining the right temperature, producers lay a solid foundation for creating high-quality pepperoni. This stage is crucial for achieving the desired texture and consistency, setting the stage for the subsequent steps of seasoning, mixing, stuffing, and curing that will transform the ground meat into delicious pepperoni enjoyed by consumers. The introduction of seasoning marks the crucial start of flavor development in pepperoni production. Crafting the perfect spice blend is essential to achieving the iconic taste of pepperoni. Traditional pepperoni seasoning includes a precise mix of salt, black pepper, garlic, paprika, fennel, and red pepper flakes, each playing a vital role in the final flavor profile. Salt is fundamental for curing and preserving the meat, preventing bacterial growth and extending shelf life. Black pepper and red pepper flakes introduce a subtle heat, giving pepperoni its characteristic kick. Garlic adds a rich, savory depth, while paprika provides a vibrant red color and a mild sweetness that balances the overall flavor. Fennel seeds contribute a delicate anise note, adding a layer of complexity that complements the other spices. Achieving the right balance in this spice blend is crucial. An excess of one spice can dominate the flavor, while too little can leave the product tasting bland. The spices must be mixed thoroughly to ensure even distribution throughout the meat. This step is vital to enhance the natural flavors of the meat and create the signature taste of pepperoni. Careful calibration and mixing of the seasoning blend ensure that every bite of pepperoni delivers a consistent and well-rounded flavor. This meticulous process is a blend of art and science, requiring expertise and precision. It sets the stage for the subsequent steps in pepperoni production, where the seasoned meat mixture will be transformed through mixing, stuffing, fermentation, and curing. By focusing on the perfect blend of spices and their even integration into the meat, producers create a high-quality pepperoni that meets the expectations of consumers, maintaining its beloved taste and texture. This dedication to seasoning excellence is what makes pepperoni a staple in kitchens and pizzerias around the world. The mixing phase is where all the flavors and textures of the pepperoni come together. The ground meat is combined with a carefully crafted spice blend in large industrial mixers. This stage is crucial as it ensures that the seasoning is evenly distributed throughout the meat, creating a harmonious flavor profile. Achieving the right balance in mixing is essential. Over-mixing can result in tough meat, while under-mixing can lead to uneven seasoning and improper curing. The goal is to mix the ingredients thoroughly but gently to maintain the ideal texture of the meat. Keeping the mixture at a low temperature during this process is vital to preserve the integrity of the fat, which is crucial for the final product's texture. Cold mixing prevents the fat from melting and ensures a cohesive blend. During this phase, additional ingredients such as curing salts and dextrose are introduced. Curing salts are important for preserving the meat and preventing bacterial growth, ensuring the product's safety. Dextrose, a simple sugar, aids in the fermentation process that follows, helping to develop the characteristic tangy flavor of pepperoni. The precision and care taken during the mixing process ensure that every bite of pepperoni is flavorful and well-balanced. This meticulous attention to detail highlights the art of traditional pepperoni making, where modern technology meets time-honored techniques. By maintaining the right conditions and carefully controlling the mixing process, producers create a high-quality product that meets consumer expectations for taste and texture. This stage sets the foundation for the subsequent steps, ensuring that the pepperoni is ready for stuffing, casing, fermentation, and eventually drying and curing, all while maintaining its signature flavor and texture. Once the meat mixture is ready, it moves to the crucial stuffing and casing stage, where the pepperoni begins to take its final shape. The seasoned meat is carefully stuffed into casings, which can be either natural or synthetic. Natural casings, made from animal intestines, are favored for their ability to enhance the flavor and provide a traditional texture that many consumers appreciate. On the other hand, synthetic casings, made from materials such as collagen or cellulose, offer consistency and durability, making them ideal for mass production. The choice of casing also determines the final size and shape of the pepperoni. Once stuffed, the casings are twisted into uniform lengths and tied off. This ensures that each piece of pepperoni is consistent in size, which is important for uniform curing and drying. Modern machinery is employed to fill each casing to precise lengths and diameters, ensuring uniformity across the entire batch. These machines are meticulously calibrated to manage the pressure and quantity of meat, preventing ruptures or underfilling. Proper stuffing and casing are essential to maintaining the product's quality and consistency. Any errors during this stage can lead to significant product waste and increased production costs. If the casings are unevenly filled or burst during the process, it not only wastes valuable ingredients but also disrupts the production line, causing delays and potential financial losses. Ensuring that each pepperoni is perfectly encased and precisely filled is a critical challenge that can define the success or failure of the entire production run. This meticulous attention to detail in the stuffing and casing process is vital for creating high-quality pepperoni that meets consumer expectations for taste and texture. The next step is fermentation, a critical phase that develops the pepperoni's unique tangy flavor. During fermentation, lactic acid bacteria present in the meat culture sugars, lowering the pH and helping to preserve the meat. This process typically lasts between 24 to 72 hours, depending on the recipe and desired flavor profile. The fermentation room is kept at a controlled temperature and humidity to encourage the growth of beneficial bacteria while inhibiting harmful ones. The meat mixture undergoes a transformation as the bacteria produce lactic acid, which contributes to the pepperoni's distinctive taste and texture. Monitoring the fermentation process closely is essential to ensure the desired pH level is reached. Any deviation can affect the flavor and safety of the final product. Proper fermentation is vital for ensuring the pepperoni is not only flavorful, but also safe to eat. Following fermentation, the pepperoni enters the drying and curing phase. This process is crucial for developing the final texture and flavor of the product. The pepperoni is hung in controlled environments to slowly lose moisture. This can take several weeks to months depending on the desired texture and flavor depth. Maintaining precise humidity and temperature during this phase is critical. Too much moisture loss can make the pepperoni dry and brittle, while too little can prevent proper curing. The drying process allows the flavors to concentrate and the meat to develop its characteristic firm texture. This stage also helps preserve the pepperoni, extending its shelf life. Properly executed, drying and curing ensure the pepperoni achieves a perfect balance of flavor, texture, and preservation, ready to be enjoyed by consumers. Quality control is an ongoing process throughout pepperoni production. At every stage, from meat selection to packaging, samples are taken and tested to ensure the product meets strict standards. This includes checking for consistency, flavor, texture, and potential contaminants. Advanced laboratory equipment is used to conduct tests for pathogens, moisture content, and other quality indicators. Sensory evaluations by trained professionals ensure the pepperoni's flavor profile is just right. Maintaining high standards of quality control is crucial for consumer satisfaction and brand reputation. Any deviation from these standards can result in product recalls, financial losses, and damage to the brand's image. By implementing rigorous quality control measures, producers ensure that each batch of pepperoni is safe, high quality, and delicious. The final stage in the production process is packaging, which is essential for preserving the pepperoni's quality and ensuring it reaches consumers in perfect condition. The pepperoni is available in two main formats: whole sticks and sliced pieces. Each format caters to different consumer preferences and uses. Whole sticks are generally vacuum sealed to maintain their freshness and extend their shelf life. The vacuum sealing process removes air from the packaging, preventing oxidation and spoilage, which helps the pepperoni retain its flavor and texture for longer periods. On the other hand, sliced pepperoni is often packaged in a modified atmosphere. This involves replacing the oxygen in the packaging with gases like nitrogen or carbon dioxide, which slows down the deterioration process. This method ensures that the sliced pepperoni remains fresh, vibrant, and safe to eat for an extended period. The sliced pieces are carefully portioned and placed in airtight containers to prevent contamination and spoilage. Labels are then applied to each package, providing crucial information such as expiration dates, nutritional facts, and storage instructions. This not only helps consumers make informed choices, but also ensures traceability. Proper labeling is vital for maintaining regulatory compliance and consumer trust. The packaging process itself is meticulously monitored to ensure that each package is sealed correctly and is tamper-proof. This attention to detail is essential for maintaining consumer confidence and satisfaction. The packaging must protect the pepperoni during transportation and storage, preventing any damage or exposure to contaminants. By combining traditional preservation methods with modern packaging technology, producers can deliver a high-quality product that meets and exceeds consumer expectations. The result is delicious. Fresh pepperoni that maintains its flavor and texture from the factory to the consumer's table, ensuring a premium eating experience every time. So there you have it, the fascinating journey from prime cuts of meat to the perfectly seasoned slices of pepperoni we all love. This process artfully combines age-old traditions with modern precision to deliver flavors that are cherished on dinner tables around the world. If you want to explore more exciting how it's made stories and innovative ways in beverage and food production, watch our next video.